आइटम नंबर 11 श्री सर्वानंद सोनवाल जी।
Respected Speaker, sir, I rise to move for leave to introduce the Carriage of Goods by Sea Bill 2024 to provide for the responsibilities, liabilities, rights and immunities attached to carriers with respect to the carriage of goods by sea and for matter connected therewith or related thereto.
श्री सोगत राय जी।
Sir, I have opposed the introduction of this bill, which is called the Carriage of Goods by Sea Bill 2024. The Indian Carriage of Goods by Sea Act 1925 was enacted to amend the law with respect to carriage of goods by sea. It has stood us in good stead for 100 years. Suddenly, in the 100th year, the minister thinks of coming up with a fresh bill. All this mention of Hague rules and Brussels rules, Visby rules, all this were always there. So I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, is it just to find some work for his department who doesn't have enough work that you are bringing in a new bill? A bill which has served its purpose for 100 years, suddenly you jump and say that with rules, with applicable, all minor amendments. This superfluous registration should be done away with. It only makes your bureaucrats happy. It doesn't make the country happy, and it does not help anything. Thank you, sir.
Respected Speaker, sir, Honorable Member is a very senior and very respected member in the House. And I believe that you have also, after going through the Act, come to realize I do agree with you. The spirit and the substance of the Act unchanged. We are bringing this because it is already 100 years old. Now to comply with the international convention and also with the changing situation of the global scenario and also with the modern legislation, the simplifications and also ease of understanding is very necessary. And here we have proposed some proposal needs to be incorporated to empower the government to issue direction so that the spirit and also the provision is strictly carried out by the concern. So I believe this particular bill is very much necessary and it's imperative to bring the certain changes, and also by incorporating some definition, we are trying to make it simplified and also better understanding of the Act. Thank you.
प्रश्न यह है कि विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में है वो हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य विरोध में है वे ना कहें। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, अनुमति प्रदान की जाती है। माननीय मंत्री जी अब विधेयक पुनर्स्थापित करें।
I introduce the bill.
आइटम नंबर 12।
The goods mentioned in the bill of lading shall pass upon or by reason of a consignment or an endorsement and for matters connected therewith or related thereto.
प्रश्न यह है कि विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में है वो हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य विरोध में है वे ना कहें। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ। अनुमति प्रदान की जाती है। माननीय मंत्री जी अब विधेयक प्रस्तापित करें।
I introduce the bill.
आइटम नंबर 13 श्री अश्विनी वैष्णव जी।